Hello everyone, today I will be starting with a new chapter, that is your decimal for your class 7. So, what do you mean by decimal? You are already doing from your class 4. From your class 4 you are doing addition of decimal numbers, subtraction of decimal numbers, multiplication, division. So let us recall. What do you mean by decimal and how to name those numbers? Okay, how to name the number also. Suppose if I write down here 2.5. How you name this? 2.5. If I write down like this, 2.505. How you name this number? It is 2.505. Suppose, let me give another example, 125.78. Okay, how you name this number? It will be 125.78. See, after point, you have to name this number in terms of number, okay, like 7, 8, 9, 10, that way you have to name it. So now, let me teach you about the addition. How to add your two decimal, okay? How to add your two decimal, I'll be teaching about that. So let us see. First, let us learn about your addition. Suppose two numbers are given 2.5, you have to add with 7.2. You have to add this. Alright, so how to add? See, whenever you add, you take your decimal and decimal in the same line. These two decimals should come together. Okay, so 5 plus 2, you perform the normal addition now. 5 plus 2 will be 7. 2 plus 7 will be 9. So you got 9.7. Now let us see one example. And the example, this is the first example I have taken. So let us see the second example. Suppose they give like this, 33.7 plus 2.62. If they ask you to add this, now how to add this? Let us see. So what you will be doing is that 33.7 then 2.62. So you have to take this point and point together. Okay, alright. You have to take this point and point together in the same line. Now after 7 nothing is there means you can put 0. Now you add it. So when you add 0 plus 2 will become 2. So 6 plus 7, 13. 3, 1 carry. 3 plus 3 will become 6. So you got 36.32. This is how you are going to perform your addition of decimals. Okay. Now let us go to subtraction. Let us see subtraction. Same way you have to do subtraction also. First number, let me give you this way. 56.08 minus 2.002. Suppose they ask you this. You have to subtract this minus this. How you do it? So let us try 56.08 then 2.002. Now you do the subtraction. So in order to do the subtraction, what you will be doing out here? See, after 8, nothing is there means you can put here 0. Okay? After point 0, it does not have any value. One thing you keep in your mind. Whenever I am writing 2, 2 is what? 2.0. 2 is what? 2.0. This 0 you can cancel it, okay? Because after point 0 it does not have any value, okay? So 2 can be written as 2.0. Same way 56.08 can be written as 56.080. This 0 will not have any value, but this 0 will have a value, okay? So you subtract it. So 10 minus 2, it will become 8. Then this will be 7 here, 0, then here it will be 4, then 5. So this way you can do your subtraction, okay? Now let us come to your multiplication. Before I go to your multiplication, let us see your division by 10, okay? Suppose if I give you 1 by 10, when you divide 1 by 10, how much you will get? You will get 0.1. That one you already know. If I do 1 by 100, you will get 0.01. See the pattern, okay? Then again 1 by 1000 when I do, I will get 0.001. Now look here, look at the pattern. If there is 1 0, you got 0.1. If there is 2 0, you got 0.01. See, here 2 digit, here 2 digit. Here 1 digit, 1 digit. Here 3 digit. Out here, there is 3 zeros. So that way, when you do it, 1 by 1 0 0 0 0. Now, how many zeros are there? There are 4 zeros. So how much you are going to get? You don't have to divide exactly, okay? Directly you can tell me the answer by using this pattern. So it will become how much? 0.0001. It will become 0.0001. Suppose if I give you 2 by 100. 2 by 100. When you divide, so how much you are going to get? 0.02. 3 by 1000. 0.003. 3 digit, 3 digit. Alright? So this pattern you please go through. It will help you when you do your multiplication or division of decimals. It will really help you out. So now let us come to some multiplication. Some example related to your multiplication. Suppose they give multiply. Number 1. Suppose they have asked you multiply. Suppose they give the question as this way. 2.5 into 1.5. Okay. 2.5 into 1.5. How to multiply this? If you want, you can multiply it directly. Okay? The way you used to multiply, you can multiply it directly. Or you can do one thing. You can remove your point. You can remove your point and do it. So how you can do is that solution. You have 2.5 into 1.5. Now when you see 2.5, it can be written as 25 by 10. It can be written as 25 by 10. Because after point 1 digit, you have to take 10. If it is 2 digit, you have to take how much? You have, see, if there is 2 digit, you have to take 100. Alright? If there is 3 digit, you have to take 1000. So this will be 25 by 10 into how much? 15 by 10. So you got 25 by 10 into 15 by 10. Now, what you can do is that you can simplify it. You can cancel it. Then you can try. So let's see. With 2 or with 5 you can do 5 2s, 5 3s, 5 2s, 5 5s. So how much you got? 5 3s are 15. 15 by 4. You got 15 by 4. Now you can divide 15 by 4. When you divide your 15 by 4, how much you are going to get? 15 by 4. 3s are 12. Then here 30. So you can take point. You can take point and see how much. Okay. 4 7s are 28. Then here 2 0. 5s are 20. So how much you got? 3.75. 3.75. Always make the habit of what you will be doing is that you try to write it down as a fraction. Okay, then you do it. You try to remove the point and you do it. That way it can be done. Or if you don't want to solve in that manner. See, mathematics, it is not necessary that the method that I am doing, you have to do the same method. There are hundreds of methods, okay, for solving the same problem. So let me teach you another method also. So 2.5, you multiply with 1.5. Like this also you can do it. Directly multiply, direct multiplication also it can be done. So 5 5s are 25, 5 here, 2 here. 5 2s are 10, 11, 12. So 1 2 you got. Then here 1 5s are 5, 1 2s are 2. So how much you got? 5, 5, 6, 7. 7 here, 3 here. Now you see how to identify your point. Look here. After point 1 digit, after point 1 digit. After point 1 digit, after point 1 digit. 1 plus 1. How many digits are there? 2 digits. So you got how many digits? 2 digits. Alright? So you got how many digits? 2 digits. So you see, you come from the side, okay? You come from the right hand side and you select this 2 digit. So 75 is a 2 digit. So you put your point here. Alright? So this will be the required answer. So if you want, you can do it this way or this way. Which way you are comfortable, you can do it that way only. So I hope so you are alright with the multiplication. Now let us come to the division. How to divide your decimal numbers. How to divide your decimal numbers. So let us see your division. Division, let us see. 1.8 divided by 0.2. 1.8 divided by 0.2. So I am comfortable with this. Removing your decimal points, so I will follow this type of pattern out here. So let us see what is going to happen next. Solution, you can write this one as 1.8 divided by 0.2. So what is 1.8? See your numerator. Your numerator is 1.8. It can be written as 18 by 10. And 0.2 can be written as 2 by how much? 2 by 10. It can be written as 2 by 10. Now you see which pattern is this? A by B divided by C by D. Fractions. Okay, you have already done fractions. Whenever you have like this, A by B divided by C by D. How you can do? This one can be written as A by B into D by C. A by B into D by C, it can be written as that way. This, whatever is there in the denominator, it will go to the numerator, but it will reciprocal itself. Alright? So it will become how much? Use this formula out here. It will become 18 by 10 into 10 by 2. Now 10 and 10 you cancel. 2 ones are 2 nines are. So how much you got? 9 by 1. So 9 by 1 is 9. So that is the required answer. So what you can do is that from your exercise, okay? From your exercise, they have asked you to add, subtract, multiply and divide, okay? The first two exercise you can try by using this type of concept, okay? So I will conclude my video here and we'll meet in the next video. Thank you so much.